Welcome back to the channel. The global pharmaceutical supply chain is incredibly complex, and unfortunately, it's vulnerable to significant risks, most notably the proliferation of counterfeit drugs. These falsified medications pose a severe threat to patient safety and erode trust in the healthcare system. But what if there was a way to ensure every single product in the supply chain was authentic, traceable, and secure from manufacturer to patient? That's where blockchain technology comes in. In this video, we're exploring the transformative role of blockchain in addressing these critical challenges within the pharmaceutical supply chain. We'll look at how it enhances security, improves traceability, and effectively combats the dangerous trade of counterfeit drugs. At its core, blockchain is a distributed, immutable ledger. Imagine a digital record book that is shared across many different computers or participants in the network. Once a transaction or piece of data is recorded in this book, it's cryptographically linked to the previous entry, creating a chain. This makes it incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to alter or tamper with any past record without everyone in the network knowing. How does this apply to pharma? Blockchain can provide an immutable and transparent record for every pharmaceutical product. When a batch of medicine is manufactured, its unique identifier, manufacturing details, and origin can be recorded on the blockchain. As it moves through the supply chain, from manufacturer to distributor, wholesaler, pharmacy, and eventually, potentially, to the patient, each transfer of ownership and location update can be added to the same ledger. This process directly addresses the issue of security. Because the records are immutable and distributed, it's extremely difficult for malicious actors to insert fake products or alter tracking information without being detected by the network. It also dramatically enhances traceability. At any point in the supply chain, stakeholders can verify the origin and journey of a specific product by checking the blockchain record. This provides unprecedented visibility and transparency. Crucially, this system is powerful in combating counterfeiting. If a product's journey isn't recorded on the legitimate blockchain ledger, or if its recorded path shows inconsistencies, it can be flagged as potentially counterfeit or diverted. This helps prevent substandard or falsified medications from entering the legitimate market and reaching patients. The transparency and immutability of the blockchain record increase accountability among all participants in the supply chain. Everyone involved knows that their actions are being recorded on a shared, tamper-proof ledger. Given the significant risks posed by counterfeit drugs globally and the inherent complexity of pharmaceutical supply chains, blockchain presents a highly relevant and impactful solution. It's not just about efficiency, it's about patient safety and trust. What are your thoughts on using blockchain in critical supply chains like pharmaceuticals? Share them in the comments below. If you found this explanation insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more explorations of how technology is solving real-world problems. Thanks for watching.